Alright, camping at the beach. Kind of a cloudy day, but we're camping at the beach. So, can't complain too much. To camp at the beach, we bike from where we're at now, Gulf State Park. And hooked my trailer to my Discover. And I'm going to take a look at this Discover, or the Velotric, I guess, actually, trailer hitch. I don't much like it. I think I'm going to redo this, but it is what I got now. So it works. We'll take a look. So first, this piece here is actually the part that the trailer comes with the trailer. The trailer connects on there. We'll look at that in a minute. All right, this piece, this long piece here that comes out to this bolt, that is the Velotric hitch adapter. All right, back here you see this nut. The axle is too large for most trailers, so they make this adapter. It's like a long nut with a bolt coming out the end that you tighten the nut onto. Now the directions say, this is the factory nut back here. Take off this factory nut, screw this on. But the bolt that comes out of here is way too deep for this Velotric nut, so that does not work. They must have made a change since they made those directions. So that's the first issue. So got the factory nut back on, put this hitch adapter on, so I have the smaller bolt that this hitch will connect to. So that's the setup. It sticks out an awful lot. Hasn't really gotten in the way yet, but again, I don't like it. I think I'm going to redo it. Don't know if I'll make that redo part of this video or not. So make sure you like and subscribe. If it's not at the end, then you can kind of see my redo once I get it done. Alright, here's my trailer. This trailer is over 10 years old. I got it in 2014. Right now it's kind of the way I do in travel mode. The tongue is folded back underneath. The wheels are off, and they're inside of the trailer. You can actually fold it smaller than that, but I don't typically do that. You can see got some road rash there. I flipped the trailer once going too fast around a corner, down a hill, all that good kind of stuff. So it's got a little bit of, showing a little bit of age, but it works awesome, and it's a great trailer to head to the beach. So let me set it back up. All right, the tongue just folds out. Makes it nice, and then these wheels just got a quick attachment point. You just slide these in. Kind of hard to do one-handed, and you got to kind of push that up and shove them in, but I need two hands for that. I think you can see how that works. Okay, trailer's all set up. Here's the tongue, and it's pretty simple to put onto the hitch. You just slide this over that bolt, and you can kind of see those holes. You got to kind of line them up. And again, I may never do this one-handed. Line up the holes, just put that pin back in. And there we go, we're on. Alright, the top I use for lots of things. It's got a zipper access so you can get into it, but usually going to the beach we take way too much stuff, so I'm gonna pull that top off and load this thing up with all of our beach equipment. Okay, here we go, loaded up. I got two lounge chairs on either side. Down front down there I got the cooler. Here I got a bag of towels and reading materials, and then that bag is all my Mass Snorkel beach toys, and then I got this long tube here is our beach umbrella. And by the way, I'll try to remember to link in the description, but check out how we secure that beach umbrella from the wind. It's probably something you've never seen before, so it works out well. So there's my beach going bike trailer, and we're getting ready to head out. Alright, here we are. Can't see the water hardly. Maybe a little view through there. But bike's locked up, and my trailer, you can see, now has a handle on it. That's a homemade job. Guess I'll have to put maybe do a little video on that, but just come down and pull that pin. It comes off. Oops. Now I got a pull cart to go down to the beach. Foldy locks. No pedals. Look at that. And alarm. Alright, here we are, Gulf Shore State Park. It's a cloudy Monday. It's warm. But hey folks, there's the boardwalk we just came down. We're set up at the umbrella blocking the wind instead of the sun right now. It's rather windy, but little trailer hauls everything down to the beach. Hauls it to the beach on the bike and down to the beach by hand. Alright, like and subscribe. Got more bike and camping videos coming on the channel. We appreciate you watching. See ya next time.